Kia ora tauira, this is a sing-along for Tua Bigger by Stan Walker. I'm playing it in a kid-friendly key and I'm starting with the verse and the chorus in Te Reo Māori, and then we will repeat it again, but it will be with the English translation. So this is a version that suits the students that I teach. There are the words in the description, so learn it and sing it and teach it to your students because it is a wonderful song with an amazing meaning. Tahi, rua, toru, pa. I tipu mai o I te whārua Ahakoa te aha mukore Kia whakarongo mai ki a hui korekore ana Ka whakaaro ake he aha te aha E kore no he tahi e rerekē Kia muki o pai tawhiti Ahako te kōkēi He mana nui tō te hoki He aha te whakaaro-iti Tiro ki tua tuarahe Whakarongo ki ngā wai o Roto he He wehi te wehenga I toa Tiro ki tua, tiro ki tua, tua Tua You think what doesn't matter, but they'll always be mine, said you'll never change. So listen to your wild dreams, the ones that make you crazy. They're telling you the right things. Why you gotta think so small? We can be bigger, bigger than this. Listen to that good sound beating in your chest. Don't be scared to stray too far from the river. You can be bigger, we can be bigger, 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 bigger. Tuarikui tua, tuara e. Whakarongo ki ngā wai o Roto he. Ke wehi te wehenga. Tiro ki tua, we can be